Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Booster, the channel where learning English is simple, practical, and fun.
Hello, everyone. It is great to see you again.
I am Emily.
And I am Paul.
Today, we are talking about something that many English learners worry about.
That's right. Today, we are talking about how to speak English confidently.
Oh, I love this topic, and honestly, I think almost every English learner has this problem.
I agree. Many people know English words. They understand grammar. They can read books. They can even watch English videos.
But when it is time to speak,
They become nervous.
exactly, their mind suddenly becomes empty.
Laughter. Yes, it happens to many people.
If this has happened to you, don't worry. Today, we will talk about confidence, useful vocabulary, real life situations, and simple ways to speak English better.
And by the end of this video, you will learn many useful expressions that native speakers use every day.
So, stay with us until the end.
Let's begin.
Paul, can I ask you something?
Of course,
Why are so many people afraid of speaking English?
that's a great question.
Thank you. Laughter.
Most people are not afraid of English.
Really?
Yes, they are afraid of making mistakes.
Oh, wow, that is true.
They worry about grammar mistakes. They worry about pronunciation mistakes. They worry about what other people think.
I think many viewers can relate to that.
Good phrase, Emily.
Thank you.
Everyone, our first expression today is relate to.
What does it mean?
Relate to means to understand someone's feelings or experiences because you have had a similar experience.
Can you give us an example?
Sure, I can relate to your problem because I had the same problem last year.
That's easy to understand.
Exactly.
So, if I say, many learners can relate to being nervous when speaking English, that is correct?
Perfect.
Nice. I already feel more confident.
And that brings us to our next word, confidence.
Confidence is very important.
Confidence means believing in yourself and your abilities.
Example.
She speaks English with confidence.
Very useful.
Here is something important. Confidence does not come first.
What do you mean?
Many people think they need confidence before they start speaking.
Isn't that true?
No, confidence comes after practice.
That is interesting.
Imagine a child learning to ride a bicycle.
Okay.
The child falls many times,
Poor child. Laughter.
but after practicing again and again, the child becomes confident.
So, confidence is the result of action.
Exactly.
I have never spoken English with foreigners, but I will give it a try.
That's simple.
Yes, and native speakers use it often.
I think many learners should give English speaking a try every day.
Excellent sentence.
Paul, I have a story.
Let's hear it.
A few years ago, I met a student named Anna.
Okay.
She knew a lot of English words,
That's good.
but she never spoke English
Why not?
because she was afraid,
Afraid of what?
making mistakes.
One day she decided to speak English for just 5 minutes every day.
Paul, I'm excited for the second half.
Me too.
What are we learning next?
More useful expressions, real life situations, and practical speaking tips.
Perfect.
Let's keep going.